Incyte is a biopharmaceutical company focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of proprietary therapeutics for oncology and other serious diseases. The company specializes in small molecule drugs and biologics that target specific molecular mechanisms involved in cancer and immune disorders. Incyte operates with a strong research and development focus, advancing its pipeline of innovative treatments. So, what does Incyte offer? Well, Incyte's primary product offerings include the brand name for ruxolitinib called Jakafi, which is a best-selling oral medication used to treat myelofibrosis, polycythemia vera, and graft-versus-host disease. More specifically, it's an inhibitor that helps regulate immune and inflammatory responses. Another offering is Opzelura, which is a topical JAK inhibitor used for the treatment of atopic dermatitis and vitiligo. It doesn't end here, though. Incyte also has a robust pipeline of products in development for oncology, hematology, and immune-mediated conditions, including investigational therapies for solid tumors and hematological cancers. Jakafi is the company's flagship product and its top revenue generator, widely prescribed for hematologic malignancies. Speaking of revenue, how does Incyte generate revenue? You may wonder. Well, Incyte's revenue model is primarily driven by product sales, collaborations and royalties, and licensing agreements. The majority of its revenue, as we just mentioned, comes from the sale of Jakafi in the US, but it also generates royalties from international sales as well, where it is marketed as Jakafi by Novartis. So, Incyte earns royalties from partnerships with pharmaceutical companies like Novartis and Eli Lilly for products developed and commercialized outside the US. Additional revenue streams come from out-licensing some of its therapies and receiving milestone payments from collaboration agreements. So, who does Incyte serve? Incyte's target market includes individuals diagnosed with rare blood cancers like myelofibrosis and polycythemia vera, who benefit from targeted therapies like Jakafi. It serves those suffering from skin conditions like atopic dermatitis and vitiligo, treated with Opzelura. And it serves oncologists, hematologists, and dermatologists who prescribe Incyte's therapies to patients with unmet medical needs. So Incyte primarily targets patients with complex, serious conditions requiring specialized, often novel treatments. But who are Incyte's main competitors? Incyte competes with other biopharmaceutical companies like Bristol-Myers Squibb, Novartis, Pfizer, and Gilead Sciences, to name a few. So in summary, Incyte is a biopharmaceutical company focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of proprietary therapeutics for oncology and other serious diseases. It is best known for its best-selling oral medication product called Jakafi that treats myelofibrosis, polycythemia vera, and graft-versus-host disease, and Opzelura, its topical JAK inhibitor that is used for the treatment of atopic dermatitis and vitiligo.